Have you ever stopped to wonder, where did Earth, our home, come from? In the grand theater of the cosmos, the story of our Earth begins around 4.5 billion years ago, in the realm of stardust and cosmic gases. At the dawn of our solar system, a vast nebulous cloud of cosmic material began to collapse under its own gravitational pull. Picture this. Amidst the cosmic void, a swirling dance of dust and gas kicked off, spinning faster and faster. The heart of this cosmic whirlpool grew denser and hotter, eventually sparking the birth of our sun. Around it, a disk of leftover material began to take shape, setting the stage for the creation of planets. As the dust and gas swirled in this protoplanetary disk, tiny particles began to stick together, forming clumps that grew larger and larger over time. Imagine a celestial snowball effect on a cosmic scale, where these clumps, now planetesimals, started to collide and merge in a fiery ballet. Amidst this chaos, one particular clump of matter stood out from the rest. It was an object destined for greatness, for it was the seed of our Earth. This seed, over hundreds of thousands of years, swept up more and more material, growing larger and larger. The collisions were violent, the heat intense, as the young Earth was shaped and molded in the crucible of creation. This was no calm or gentle process, but a time of cataclysmic change and violent creation. The Earth was bombarded with other celestial bodies, each impact leaving a mark on its surface, resulting in a molten world of rock and metal. Over time, the planet began to cool, forming a thin crust on its surface, the first step towards a stable world. And thus, in the midst of cosmic chaos, our Earth was born. This young Earth was a far cry from the blue and green planet we know today, but it was the start of a journey that would lead to the creation of our beautiful and life-sustaining home. The birth of Earth was a cosmic event of epic proportions, a testament to the power and majesty of the universe. So, the Earth was formed, but how did it evolve into the planet we know today, you may wonder? Journey back with me, billions of years, to the Earth's early years. Picture a molten mass, churning and roiling with fiery intensity. This was our planet in its infancy, a turbulent ball of heat and energy, not yet the blue and green sphere we call home. Over countless eons, this molten mass started to cool and solidify. The outermost layer hardened and formed a thin crust, marking the birth of Earth's lithosphere. But this was not yet the stable land we walk upon. It was a patchwork of shifting plates, grinding and colliding, creating towering mountains and deep ocean trenches in a never-ending dance of creation and destruction. Meanwhile, above this transforming landscape, another significant event was unfolding. Earth's atmosphere was taking shape. The planet's volcanic activity spewed gases into the air, creating a primitive atmosphere of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. This was not breathable to us, but it was the start of something crucial. As the planet continued to cool, something remarkable happened. Water vapor in the atmosphere began to condense and fall to the Earth's surface, forming the first oceans. These vast bodies of water would play a pivotal role in the evolution of life, providing the perfect environment for the first organisms to emerge. The beginnings of life on Earth were humble, to say the least. The first organisms were simple, single-celled life forms, but they set the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. From these modest beginnings, life began to evolve, adapting and diversifying until the Earth was teeming with a myriad of creatures, each perfectly adapted to its niche. From a fiery, inhospitable world, Earth began to transform into a planet that could harbor life. The stage was set for the next chapter in our planet's epic tale, the rise of life. But that, dear listener, is a story for another time. But how did life emerge on this once barren rock? The answer to that is a tale as old as time itself, a story steeped in mystery and wonder. For the longest time, the Earth was nothing more than an inhospitable sphere of molten rock. But somewhere along the line, something incredible happened. Life took root. The origins of life on our planet is a topic that has fascinated scientists for centuries. One of the most widely accepted theories is the primordial soup theory. This suggests that life began in the warm, nutrient-rich waters of our planet's early oceans. Over time, these seas became a breeding ground for the building blocks of life, a mixture of complex organic molecules that eventually gave rise to the first primitive cells. But there's another theory that's equally captivating: panspermia. This proposes that life on Earth didn't originate here at all. Instead, it hitched a ride on cosmic dust or meteorites from distant parts of the galaxy, surviving the harsh conditions of space before landing on our planet and taking root. No matter which theory you subscribe to, one thing is undeniable. life, once established, began to evolve. Simple single-celled organisms slowly but surely became more complex. They developed new ways to survive, to reproduce, and to thrive in the diverse environments of our planet. Over the course of billions of years, these tiny life forms evolved into a dazzling array of creatures. From the smallest microbe to the largest dinosaur, from the humblest plant to the most majestic tree, every living thing on Earth is a testament to the incredible journey of evolution. And so, from a desolate molten rock, our planet was transformed. Life had taken hold, and it wasn't letting go. Through countless trials and tribulations, through ice ages and heat waves, through mass extinctions and periods of explosive biodiversity, life found a way. Over billions of years, life on Earth evolved, diversified, and flourished. Yet, Earth is not a static planet, is it? It's a dynamic, living entity, constantly changing, evolving, and reshaping itself. This dynamism is the heartbeat of our planet, the rhythm of its existence. From the silent, slow dance of continents, to the rapid, destructive force of a hurricane, Earth's dynamic nature is a testament to its unending vitality. Let's start with the grandest of Earth's movements: plate tectonics. These are the unseen forces that shape our world on a geological timescale. Imagine vast slabs of the Earth's crust, floating like giant rafts on the semi-fluid mantle below. As these plates move, they collide, separate, and slide past each other, reshaping the face of our planet. Mountain ranges are thrust skyward, oceans are birthed and die, and the continents themselves wander across the face of the globe. It's a slow dance, measured not in years or even centuries, but in millions of years. Yet, it's a dance that continues to this day, shaping the world we live in. But Earth's dynamism isn't just about slow geological change, it's also about the rapid, dramatic shifts brought on by weather and climate. These are the forces that can transform landscapes in a matter of hours or days. Storms, floods, droughts, wildfires. These are the faces of Earth's more immediate dynamism. They're part of our planet's complex climate system, a system driven by the energy of the sun, the composition of our atmosphere, and the circulation of our oceans. And let's not forget about climate change, a dynamic process, though one heavily influenced by human activity. As we continue to pump greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, we're causing our planet to warm. This warming is leading to a host of changes, from melting ice caps to rising sea levels and shifting weather patterns. It's a reminder that Earth's dynamism can also be a force of destruction, especially when tipped out of balance. Our Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing world, shaped by forces that are still at work today. It's our responsibility to understand these forces, to respect them, and to work towards a future where we live in harmony with the dynamism of our incredible planet. What lies in store for our home, the Earth? As we consider the future of our planet, we must examine not only the natural processes that continue to shape it, but also the impact of our own actions. If we gaze into the future, one thing becomes crystal clear. Our actions today are shaping the Earth of tomorrow. Let's consider some natural processes first. One of the most significant factors in the Earth's future is the life cycle of the sun. As the sun continues to age, it will gradually expand, its luminosity increasing. This will cause changes in the Earth's climate, potentially making it uninhabitable in the distant future. But don't pack your bags just yet. These changes are billions of years away. On a more immediate scale, the Earth's climate continues to fluctuate naturally with periods of warming and cooling. These changes can lead to shifts in ecosystems, altering habitats and influencing the distribution of species around the globe. But nature is not the only force shaping our planet. We, humans, are leaving an indelible mark. Our activities are accelerating climate change, causing a rapid rise in global temperatures. From the burning of fossil fuels to deforestation, our actions are reshaping the Earth at an unprecedented rate. Yet amidst these challenges, there's hope. Our understanding of the Earth and its processes has never been greater. This knowledge empowers us to make wise decisions, to mitigate the impacts of climate change, and to protect our planet's diverse ecosystems. Our Earth's future is not written in stone, it's being penned by us. Every action we take, every decision we make, is a line in the story of our planet's future. And as we continue to explore and understand our world, we must bear the weight of this responsibility with care. So, what does the future hold for our Earth? That's up to us. Our Earth has a long history and its future depends on us. As we continue to explore and understand our world, we realize the responsibility we bear for its care.